Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to add a saving wedge on Shopify to increase your sales. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you are very beginner with Shopify and you wanted to set up, design and customize your Shopify online store by yourself without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, then this tutorials is only for you. Also, my YouTube channel is for you who want to build their store by themselves without any coding skill, hiring any developer, and without spending a lots of money just for design their Shopify online store. So let's get started. So before start these tutorials, I want to share something about benefit of this picture. Why actually you should add this picture on your Shopify online store. So let's see what is the benefit. Benefit of adding a saving badge on Shopify. First of all, instant trust and transparency. Customers immediately see how much they are saving, which build confidence in your pricing. Boost conversion, highlighting discount visually not hesitant buyer to complete their purchase. Improve user experience. Shoppers don't need to calculate saving themselves. Your store does the math for them. Encourage large order. When customers see saving, they are more likely to add extra item to maximize the deal. Competitive edge. A clear saving badge make your store stand out compared to competitor who only show cross out the price. So I hope you understand the benefit of adding this badge on your Shopify online store. Also here we are going to learn why every store needs this feature. First of all, psychological trigger. People love feeling like they are getting a deal. A saving wedge tab into that natural buying behavior. Universal appeal. Whether you sell fashion, electronics, or digital product, customers everywhere respond to visible saving. Mobile friendly sales driver. On small screen, quick visual code like badges are more effective than long product description. Proven sales strategy. Major e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Walmart use saving badge because they work. Low effort, high impact. It's simple feature to add, but the return in increased sales and customer satisfaction is significant. So I hope right now you are clear about the benefit and the importance of this feature to add your Shopify online store. But the negative things is that on default theme you will not get this feature to show it or get this benefit from your Shopify online store. So what is the solution? Solution is here. I am Faisal, 6 years experienced Shopify developer and SEO expert. I have already published more than 1000 video only relevant Shopify and Shopify store rank like SEO, SMM. So if you don't have to hesitate for anything. You are here to get the solution, and I'm going to provide the solution right now. First of all, I'm going to my YouTube channel. You can see here I have uploaded a lots of video, more than 1000, but right now I just search. Let's go back my YouTube channel home page. Here is the home page, and simply search in the search bar. Here is the search bar of my YouTube channel. Discount, just discount, and paste enter. Then let's see what's going on. So you see I have uploaded a lots of video on these topics for different type of themes, like you are using Dawn theme, Horizon theme, or any other free theme or paid theme or any third party theme. That's why I have added this video or published multiple video on the same niche, like how to apply discount on all product, how to show sales discount percentage that is directly relevant of these topics or of your requirement. And here you will find more how to create a smart holiday discount pop-up if you want, how to show discounted price on Shopify product page in the fabric theme, this one and this one, discount percentage. Let me show you the percentage. Let's search percentage. Percentage, just type percentage, not discount, then you can see, you see, one video, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 video on same topics for different type of theme, like horizon, fabric, studio theme. So in every video you will find the ready code snippet and the details of the step by of setup this chart on your Shopify online store. Also, if you face any issue, then you can send me directly by WhatsApp. Just share the video link that you have watched and you want to code for this topics or for this chart, and share your store link by WhatsApp directly, and I will connect with you as soon as possible. In maximum time I try to reply instantly, but you will get the first response and the ready code snippet. So don't worry about that, just go to my YouTube channel and search percentage and you will find the full solution. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.